In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Wix Dev Mode, also known as Velo by Wix, to enhance your website development experience. This powerful tool allows you to implement custom functionality and features seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get you set up. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wix editor. Once you're there, look for the Dev Mode option in the top menu, click on Dev Mode, and then choose Turn On. By doing this, you'll notice a new code files panel popping up. You'll now have the capability to add databases and start coding directly in your Wix site. That's your starting point for unleashing more customization options. Next up, let's talk about creating a database collection, a crucial part of this process. In the left panel of your screen, you'll see the Content Manager. Click on it and select Add Collection. Here you'll be prompted to give your new database collection a name. You might choose something that fits your needs, like projects, blog posts, or products. Once you've got that set up, start adding fields to your collection. These could include title, description, image, price, or any other fields that suit your content. Think of your database as a spreadsheet, but embedded within your Wix site. It's simple yet comprehensive. With your database in place, it's time to add some sample data. Click into your newly created database and begin filling in a few rows. Enter titles, descriptive text, perhaps some images, or links. This step is all about populating your database with content, where each row represents a piece of content such as one blog post or portfolio item. This will help you visualize how your website is going to display the content dynamically. Now let's move on to creating a dynamic page. Head back to the Content Manager and select your database. Click on Add Dynamic Page. At this stage, you can choose between an item page, which displays one database entry at a time, or a list page, which shows multiple entries simultaneously. Wix takes care of the heavy lifting here by automatically creating a new page that directly connects with your database. With your dynamic page set up, you can now connect elements to your database. Begin by adding text boxes, images, or buttons to your page. Click on one of these elements, select Connect to Data, and choose the relevant field from your database. For example, you might connect a text box to pull data from the project title field, or an image to come from the project image field. This connection ensures that your page dynamically fills up with content directly sourced from your database. Once that's all in place, it's time to preview your dynamic pages. Simply hit the preview button and browse through different database entries using the dynamic links. You'll see that each entry has its own unique page created automatically by Wix, showcasing your connected content. Finally, when everything looks perfect and you're ready to share your creation with the world, click Publish. By doing this, your live site gets updated and each database entry now has its own dynamic page with a unique URL. And that's it. You have now successfully enabled Wix Dev Mode and created dynamic content for your site, taking your Wix website to a whole new level.